Hello everyone. Today, we are learning how to talk about our day in English. You will listen to Sarah and Mark, two co-workers, chatting in the office break room. Pay close attention to how Mark uses the phrase "a bit of a mess" to describe his morning.
Hey Mark. How is your morning going so far?
It has been a very long morning already, Sarah.
Oh. Really? But it is only 10 a.m.
I know. I stayed up late finishing that marketing report last night.
MHM.
I think I finally finished it at around 1 a.m. So, I woke up late today.
Wait, 1 in the morning? That is way too late, Mark.
Yeah, I was exhausted. My whole morning was a bit of a mess, actually.
I know how that feels. Did you at least have some breakfast?
Well, I didn't have time to eat at home. I just grabbed an iced latte from Starbucks on my way here.
Oh wow.
Exactly. But even that was difficult. The shop on 5th Street was so crowded.
Oh, I usually go to the small cafe near the window. I mean, near the park.
Is it faster? I waited 20 minutes for my coffee this morning.
Definitely. I usually get my avocado toast and tea in 5 minutes.
I should try that tomorrow. Anyway, what about you? How was your morning?
It was good. I stayed home and did some yoga before work.
Nice. Yoga sounds much better than writing reports at midnight.
It really is. Well, I have a meeting now, but let's grab a bite for lunch later.
That sounds perfect, Sarah. I'll see you at noon.
A bit of a mess.
This is a common way to say that a situation is disorganized or not going well. It is softer and more natural than saying "my morning was bad." For example, "My hair is a bit of a mess because of the wind outside."
On my way.
Use this phrase when you are in the middle of traveling to a place. It means you are currently moving toward your destination. For example, "I'll call you back when I am on my way to the supermarket."
Grab a bite.
This is a very common casual idiom that means to go and get something to eat, usually a quick meal like lunch. For example, "Do you want to grab a bite after the movie finishes?" Great job today! You learned how to describe a busy morning and use the phrase "grab a bite" to invite someone to lunch. Subscribe to our channel and tell us about your daily routine in the comments.